I guess here 3 plus 2 is 5 square minus 2 times 4 minus 6. Here 5 square is 25 minus 2 times 4 minus 6. Here 25 minus 2 is 23 times 4 minus 6. Here 23 times 4 is 92 minus 6. Here 92 minus 6 is 86 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations, PEMDAS, 86 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operations. Here this is a bracket, higher priority, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to follow another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operation PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. We have to do this bracket before any other operation. Here 3 plus 2 is 5 square, this minus 2 times 4 minus 6. Here next priority is the exponent. Exponent is 5 square. 5 square is 25 minus 2 times 4 minus 6. Here we have subtraction, multiplication and subtraction. Here multiplication is higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this subtraction. So 25 minus this is 8 minus 6. Here both are subtraction. We have to follow from this. So 25 minus 8 is 17 minus 6. Here 17 minus 6 is 11 is the correct answer.